Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes! Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme ci, comme ça? Ça va mal? Oh, ça va très mal. Moi, comme ci, comme ça. Parce que il y a des nuages. It is jour number... Can you ripple your arms while counting from 20 in French to 36? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Très bien! Jour number 36. In French with Mr. Innes today, we are going to learn about quatre métiers, 4 different types of jobs. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But let's kickstart things with our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is a way of describing things as important. Now there are deux ways of describing things as important, depending on whether it's a boy or a girl, male, female, le, la, un, une. First up, we're going to describe things that are boys, male, un, le. Écoutez, est important. Est important. Répétez, est important. Est important. Très bien! And now we'll describe things that are girls, female, une ou la. Écoutez, est importante. Est importante. Répétez, est importante. Est importante. Très bien! Now let's move on to our ooh la la vocab. Now in Jour 10, we learnt about quatre métiers, 4 jobs. Un médecin, un coiffeur, un professeur, he looks weird, et un boulanger. And today we're going to learn another quatre. First up, we have a butcher, somebody who sells meat.
Ooh la la!
Oh, don't worry, Vache, you are not going anywhere. Écoutez 6 fois, listen 6 times. Un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher. Répétez, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher, un boucher. Ooh la la vocab numéro 2 is somebody who sells books. The best way to deal with a difficult child is to send them to Miss Trunchbull. Great idea. Écoutez 6 fois. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. Répétez. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. La libraire. Ooh la la vocab numéro 3 is a postman. You are cordially invited to the wedding of Monsieur and Madame Canard? You have got to be joking. Écoutez 6 fois. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Répétez. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Le facteur. Our dernier ooh la la vocab is somebody who sells medicines, a pharmacist. Oh, I am starting to feel rather queasy from all the romance going on over there. Écoutez 6 fois. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Répétez. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. Une pharmacienne. And now it's time for Which One's Missing? As per usual, I will help you with the first trois. First up, we have le boucher, la libraire, le facteur, and la pharmacienne. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said la libraire. Next one, we have le facteur, le boucher, la pharmacienne, and la libraire. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said le facteur. Next one, we have la pharmacienne, la libraire, le boucher, and le facteur. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said la pharmacienne. Next one, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said le boucher. Next one. Which one's missing? Fantastic if you said le facteur. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, fantastique, très bien et merveilleuse if you said la libraire. And now it's time for sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Can you remember what our deux phrases of the day were? Très bien. For a boy, male, un, le, we had est important. And for a girl, female, une or la, we had est importante. So we're going to describe our different jobs, our different workers, as important if they're a man or importante if they're a woman. I'll help you with the first de. How would you say the butcher is important? Répétez. Le boucher est important. Le boucher est important. Très bien! How would you say the bookseller is important? Répétez. La libraire est importante. La libraire est importante. Bravo! Try this one by yourself. How would you say the postman is important? Bravo if you said le facteur est important. And how would you say the pharmacist is important? Magnifique if you said la pharmacienne est importante. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Now you might remember that in day 34 we learnt about des champignons, mushrooms. Well, did you know that in France you can bring your wild mushrooms to la pharmacienne, the pharmacist, and they should be able to tell you whether your wild mushrooms are poisonous or whether they can be eaten. Scary business. And now it's time for our Song of the Day. Today's Song of the Day is very loosely based on what we've been doing. It is by Mika and it's called Elle me dit, which means she tells me. And I suppose we have been learning about she, and Mika is a man, so No, it doesn't really work, does it? But you might know Mika from some other songs that he sings in English. Second to hand, a lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Big girls, you are beautiful. Well, he sometimes sings in French, and you can find a link to his most famous French song in the description below. That's everything for French with Mr. Innes. Jour number 36. Très bien. It's been so nice having you here. I've gone from comme ci comme ça to ça va très bien. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And merci beaucoup to everybody who has subscribed. If you're yet to do so, please do hit the button below. But for now, à bientôt and au revoir. The first way is what? No. Can you do? What do you call that? First up, we're gonna think. But let's. Our first way of describing whether it's. Oh my word, Mr. Innes. Look, no, yes, I had it. What am I doing? 33, 34. No. Allons-y.